Hello, my name is Milind Baviskar. Today's video topic is constructors in Java. So in Java, a constructor is a block of a codes similar to the method. It is called constructor when an instance of the class is created. At the time of calling constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. So it calls a default constructor. If there is no constructor available in the class, in such a case, Java compiler provides a default constructor by default. Um, Next, there are two types of constructors in Java. No arg constructor and parameterized constructor. So it is called constructor because it constructs the values at the time of object creation. It is not necessary to write a constructor for a class. It is because Java compiler creates a default constructor if your class doesn't have any. So see rules for creating Java constructors. So there are two rules defined for the constructor. Constructor name must be same as its class name. Second one is a constructor must have no explicit return type. And third one is a Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final and synchronized. So types of Java constructors. So there are two types of constructors in Java: default constructor and parameterized constructor. So what is a Java default constructor? A constructor is called default constructor when it doesn't have any parameter. Example like class name and directly constructor. So next one is a parameterized constructor. So what is the purpose of a default constructor? The default constructor is used to provide the default value to the object like null, etc. depending on the type. Next one is Java parameterized constructors. A constructors which has a specific number of parameters is called a parameterized constructor. Why use the parameterized constructor? The parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to distinct objects. However, you can provide the same value also. So let's see the example of parameterized constructor. So we have created the constructor of a student class that have two parameters. We can have any number of parameters in the constructor, like class name is student, student 2, student 3. Thank you.